Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be installing a Paintmodz engine bay dress-up kit. I believe the stuff is made by Proform Automotive. Obviously Paintmodz then take the kit and paint it. They do an excellent job. The quality is second to none. So I'll definitely go and check out Paintmodz because their stuff is really good. I've already got some Paintmodz washer jets and yeah, totally in love with them. I think they're great finish and really good quality. And this kit is just the same. With this kit you get a coolant cover, a fuse box cover and a battery cover. The kit is also supplied with instructions, so if the video doesn't help you at all, then you can follow the written instructions because they're pretty easy to follow. That's how I installed mine, and it really came in handy to know where to put everything to make this fit perfectly. If you guys haven't seen my latest video where I install some CM composite side skirts, then please do check that video out. They do look super good. I'm so happy with them as well, getting some new stuff in my car, which is always good, and yeah, more videos for you guys. So jumping into the video, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so like I said, all of these parts do come with instructions. The only instructions that might differ slightly are for the coolant cover. This is because I think it's just a general instructions to the Mark 7 Fiesta, including the pre-facelift, the ST and the facelift, and some of them are slightly different. But because we have got the facelift, we are going to be missing out step 1, which was to reposition something. Obviously I don't have that thing, so I can't reposition it. Otherwise the rest of this is super simple. Hopefully you guys can follow this alright, and yeah, first things first, the coolant cover. We're going to stick down these double-sided sticky back pads. They are 3M tape. Yeah, they're super sticky. If you're worried about the positions, it is pictured in the instructions. Just generally you want to put them on top so that it adheres to them. Then I'm going to take off the lid to the coolant. It's just going to get in the way and you can't fit the cover properly with it on. After that's done, I'm taking off the backing of these 3M sticky back pads, as we're pretty much ready to put the cover on. Now I'm taking the cover and I'm slung it over top of the coolant. It does slot into place, so if you're worried about the position, there is a slot on the back of it which lines up with a slot round where the coolant lid would be, and yeah, just push it down so it adheres to the sticky pads. When you've done that, you're ready to put the lid back on. Next I'm going to work on the fuse box, and you want to be really careful when you're doing this because there are 2 cables that are held in with a clip you want to remove first. If you don't remove this, then it could scratch the paintwork off the fuse box cover, and you want to be careful when you're putting on all of these because you don't want to ruin the finish of these covers because they are super quality, and yeah, it'd just be a bit of a shame if you had one scratched slightly. So yeah, you do get a cable tie provided, so when you are moving those 2 cables you can still have them together, just using the small cable tie provided. Turning over the fuse box cover, you will find Velcro sticky pads on the back of it. Just put them onto the fuse box where they'd line up on the cover, and yeah, stick those down. Now you've done that, you're ready to put the cover on. Being careful with those 2 wires, obviously. Again, even with the cable tie, they might scratch the paintwork, so you want to move them out of the way and tuck them down the side. Then when you're ready, push the cover on and stick it down to the Velcro. Now we're going to do the battery cover. The battery cover requires the most work, but it's not too difficult, and yeah, you can get it done pretty quickly. First things first, we need to move a cable, so I'm using some wire cutters to cut a cable tie that's holding the wire to a clip. Then I'm just going to use some grips to pull the clip off of a thread. It's not screwed on or anything, it just needs to be pulled off. Now that's done, I'm going to unscrew the nut which was below that clip. I'm going to unscrew that all the way off because we are going to need to lift the metal plate up and slide the wire over the thread and down beside the battery. This might also mean that we need to unscrew a nut on the other side, which you'll see in a minute. just so I can get the plate high enough to tuck the wire down beside the battery. Just lifting it up and then tucking it down. Once that's done, you can put the nuts back on and tighten them up fully. Now we're going to reposition the negative terminal for the battery. There might be a few sparks when you do reposition it. Don't worry, everything's going to be fine. You won't need any radio codes or anything. And we're just going to reposition it to the slot behind it. It's not too far, and if you bend the cable, you will be able to get it into place. It's just it won't be sticking out, it'll be flat onto the battery cover. You have to do this just to make sure that everything is tucked under the battery cover, it fits properly and it won't be sticking out. Now we can put the cover on. You just need to slot it over the two threads either side. It's pretty simple to find the positioning, and then you are supplied with two 10mm heads to put on the threads and then do those up, and yeah, you're pretty much done.
Take out our hearts just to tear them apart, putting on a face just to play the part. All these fake emotions, just to drown in self-devotion. And now we're falling down, falling down.
Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that install. If it helped you in any way, then please leave me a like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Always interested to hear your feedback. I think the car's coming along nicely now. It's just had some few minor visual alterations or touches, but I think it's coming along quite nicely. If you enjoyed it, obviously leave a like, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, because there's some more stuff coming out soon. As always, you know, install videos, show videos, lots of good stuff coming soon, lots of stuff planned. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, bye.